All right, so Jill has 120 feet of fencing to use for her horse paddock. And I thought that was the horse's name for a second. So, anyways, the increase of the area, to increase the area she can enclose, she plans to use the side of the barn as one of the sides of her paddock, as shown below. Determine an equation that can be used to find the dimensions of the horse paddock when the area is 1,800 square feet. Let X represent the width. Okay, so let's unpack this. Is 1,800 square feet means that my equation is going to be set equal to 1,800 square feet. And then we're going to let X represent the width. All right. So this is the width. And it says that still has 120 feet of fencing. So that means the fencing part, this is what's fenced in. This part right here. Okay. All right. So what does that mean? That means that this is X, because the widths are the same on a rectangle. What's the length? Well, it's going to have to be 120 minus 2x, right? Minus x minus x. Because this whole thing adds up to 120, this fence. It goes from here to here to here. So I can find the area. So I know that that area has to be 1,800, but I also know that the area is equal to the length times the width, or the area is equal to the length, which is going to be 120 minus 2x times the width. What's the width? X. And if I distribute, oh wait, W is actually just X, right? So if I distribute this through the parentheses, I get that the whole area is equal to 120x minus 2x squared. And I'm going to rewrite that because I'm going to say that I'm going to put it in descending order. 2x squared, negative 2x squared plus 120x has to equal the area, but we know that the area is supposed to be 1,800. So what the question was asking us is, how can she map this thing off? Whoops, wrong shape. How can she map this thing off and have the maximum area, or have an area of 1,800? And basically she has to determine the length of the width. So if she sat down and used this equation and then solved for x, that'll tell her what the width would be. And then she could also figure out what the length would be. And then it would work out, because the total amount of fence that she could use would be 120 feet. And the width times the stuff that's left over would give her the 1,800 square feet that she needed. Does that make sense? Okay.